Value versus growth. These are two sides of the same coin. Every investment, every security, every company you're investing in the stock market defines itself as either value or growth. Value companies typically pay a dividend. It's predictable income like a rental property. Growth says, hey, we're putting all our money back into growing our market share, growing our profitability as a company, and we'll pay you some dividends eventually. Historically, value has outperformed growth. In recent history, the last 10 plus years, growth has outperformed value. And during this pandemic, value has extremely underperformed growth. Growth is heavy in technology. You have all these big names, Amazon, Google, Apple, Facebook. These are all growth companies. They're growing, they're buying market share, and they've done extremely well. What will happen in the future? I don't have a crystal ball. I expect growth to still perform extremely well. I think we've got a lot of runway to keep moving down in the technology, in the Internet of Things that are going to be integrated into our life. And growth companies are going to be the ones that capitalize on that transition into even more technology-driven society. Value companies do play a strong part, and they've underperformed, but that doesn't mean they're going to underperform going forward. They have a solid place in our portfolios. They have a great place, especially if you're retired or nearing retirement. They need to be a strong piece of your investments, but they don't necessarily need to be a bigger portion than growth. Because growth has this runway, it has the ability to go up, it's not any riskier than value in the immediate future. I'm Justin Struble. What are you going to invest in? More value or more growth? I'm with BSG Advisors. We're not brokers, we're fixers.